Welcome back to another episode of the House Hunny. Today we're going to be looking at a townhome, and this is the Tartan by Cornerstone Development. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with an optional bedroom in the basement, but we're going to get to that. Oh my god, this floor plan is amazing. I actually fell in love with this floor plan. You guys will see why. It's 2013 square feet. So this is the kitchen, and again, I fell in love. I think this is honestly the perfect floor plan for a townhome, period, because it covers all bases and it's just gorgeous. I mean, look at the layout. It's got a sunroom. This sunroom is absolutely stunning. And there's not really, I mean, there is sun, but it's a whole lot of snow too, as you guys can see. But just that extra space. That extra space that just provides sun, and you can decorate and just have views so you don't feel so cooped in. You got total views from all of the windows. And they have this decorated as a nice sitting room, which is nice. That's what I would probably do with it too. But the kitchen, so the kitchen, it's open, it's airy. That is a quartz countertop. All light and bright. This does have a fireplace too. Oh, the fireplace is so light and bright. Everything is so light and just airy. Oh, we got some pad action going on the TV right there. Yeah. So now we're walking into the master bedroom. So, master bedroom. It's not, I mean, amazingly special, but you guys have to remember it is a townhome. And for a townhome, oh my god, this room is so big. Look at the big windows. It's letting in so much sun. The bathroom, we're gonna get to it. But the bathroom and the closet, I can't even wait. The closet. I walked straight to the closet and I almost forgot to get the bathroom because I was so obsessed with the closet. But you guys will see why in a second. The bathroom is nice. It's got a lot of storage. The counter is so big all the way across. Shower is nice. No tub, but that is a beautiful shower. Okay. This closet. Now on camera, the camera does not do this closet justice because this closet is actually so huge. Like, it can honestly be used as another bedroom. And that's why I was so obsessed. It is so deep. It's huge. It's huge. It's huge. Anyway, moving on. So now we're coming out of the bedroom back into the main area. There's the view with the side door. And that little area right there that you've seen, the kind of the little peeking out, it looks like you could open it up, the patio. That can have a deck built on it in different sizes. So if you want to have a sitting area outside, you can have a patio deck built along that, which I thought was really cool, really nice option. Some more views of the living room from the kitchen. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take you guys into the office area. My friend there was just so nice to let me come and film it while he was working. He took a step away. But that is the office space, or a den. And now we're coming along to the other side where the other bedroom is. So first things first, here is the bathroom. Nice, light. You get a huge garden tub. That's what I loved about this bathroom. You get the shower and the garden tub combo. And then one cool thing about this is there's a separator. So you can slide this door right here across and completely separate this whole nook of the house as like a suite. That was a good feature. I was super excited about that when you told me that. Because now when you have guests over, if they want privacy or if you kind of just want to close them off, that door can just be swiped right closed, and they have that whole, the bathroom, the bedroom, the storage, that whole area just to themselves. This is the second bedroom. Nice closet. I love the window in there. It's like a little bench kind of thing also. Okay, so we're coming back out of that area and we're going to pass. Subscribe to the channel, you guys. Hit that post notification bell and visit the website. Okay, this is the pantry. Was the pantry. Moving on. So, boom. Garage. This garage is super big too. The camera just cannot capture like the true size of it unless you're standing in the garage. That's a 3-car garage and it's extra deep for storage. It was honestly huge. As you can see, there was a car in there. There was already some stuff packed away and there was still plenty of space. Here's the laundry room. Not a washer and dryer in there yet, but there will be. As you can see, there's plenty of space in there too. Extra space right there. Utilities closet. Yeah, like extra space for broom and mop and all kind of stuff. Okay. I love this floor plan, you guys. Okay, we're walking downstairs to the basement. This is the finished basement. As you can see, when I first come down, I'm stuck. Because I'm like the size. You guys don't understand the size. This area right here is a whole nother separate area just in and of itself that you can do with whatever. And it's a huge space as well. But this main part of the basement is so big. If I can get the dimensions for you guys, I'm going to. But it's essentially the same size as the upstairs. So 2,013 square feet, but I don't know how much is being dedicated just to that space. I don't know. I'll try to get it for you guys. If not, just trust me when I tell you it's huge. Look at this finished bathroom downstairs too. Oh my gosh. And then the optional bedroom or whatever room, whatever you want to do with the room. There's plenty space. There's so much space. I can't even get it out. There's so much space. And just if you think that may not be enough space, we're gonna walk. So we're gonna walk around. We're gonna walk, twirl a little bit, take it all in. Take it all in. And if you still don't think that there's enough space down there, oh, what is that? More space. You cannot run out of space. There's so much space to just do with whatever. you can let your heart just wander, let your mind wander, and get whatever you want, do whatever you want, and still have space for the whole family. And this is a townhome. You guys have to remember, this isn't even a full home. This is just a townhome. Look at how much space you're just getting with a townhome. The floor plan, tell me the floor plan is not fire. Fire. So, love you guys. Subscribe to the channel. See you guys in another episode. Bye.